Hello, my name is Mango. Let me introduce to you today, under what circumstances replace this cutter head. What about our sleeve labeling machine? Standard sleeve labeling machine. It usually labels the diameter of this bottle is between 20 and 100. And what if it is more than 100 millimeters? Then this cutter head needs to be replaced. Next, let's see how to replace the cutter head. Lock this door open. Then loosen the handle and take out the screw head. The center column needs to be removed. Loosen the screws and remove the center column. There's a screw at the bottom that needs to adjust this hand wheel. Adjust the hand rule to loosen the belts inside. Then take out the knife disc and replace it. Next, just follow the original steps. Install the center column. Adjusting the center line requires hand wheel adjustment. It needs to be adjusted to the center line of the bearing. Finally, check and tighten each part. Does it seem troublesome to change the cutter head? If we are familiar with it, 10 minutes is indispensable. So I suggest you, when choosing this set of label machine, choose as much as possible. That is between 20 millimeters and 100 millimeters. Well, for a machine, then between 100 to 150 millimeters is a machine. This way, it is not so troublesome to replace this knife head.